Hi, we're the gwiz guys. Simple ideas from simple minds. Yes. Hopefully changing the way we're thinking. 180 degrees, 180 seconds getting this done. So today we're talking about the 107 recurrent test for the drone people, the airheads.
And we were lucky enough just to take that just a couple days ago.
Yes.
So it's fresh in our minds.
We're really fresh in our minds. So yes, we passed. We did it. Yay. Not greatest scores, but we did it. Number one, it was easier than the initial 107 because it did not have the weather or the loading stuff and a bunch of other things that I saw in there too. What do you got?
Hey, make sure that when you're going and doing your studying, that these questions that they're going to be posing to you are extremely difficult because they're not memorizable answers. You have to think through the question. So it will probably take two parts of your knowledge and put them together to make an answer. Keep that in mind.
One of the things we also found is that we had to read the question, read it again, and finally figured out if you did think you knew it, then you better read it again. So,
also,
what you got?
Do your actual 107, part 107, the real rules, read through them, know what they mean.
Okay. One of the things that was on a test, we don't have to do weather, but we did have to know how far underneath a cloud that you have to be, 500 feet, 2,000 feet away from the cloud in the front of you.
Always good information.
Yeah, we had that one. What else?
Hey, study your airspace.
Airspace. Lots of airspace.
It's going to be, what would you say, 66% airspace. Know your airspace.
Yeah,
gotta know that.
Yeah. Didn't do radio, alphabet stuff. We didn't have to do that.
Study, make sure that you know all of your risk management through the ADM.
Yes.
And your flight crew and the CRM. ADM, aeronautical decision making. CRM, crew resource management.
Okay. What else we got?
Questions. Read them twice. And make sure you read them all the way to the end.
You see. We did use the 87-page PDF from the FAA. I think that was actually one of the best helps, I think. What else was there?
Hey, also know where all of the information that you can look up is, because there's going to be some questions about it.
One of the things both of us made a mistake on, and that was that it said, go to figure number 26. We went to page number 26, which is not where figure 26 is.
Yeah, don't make that mistake, because I spent 5 minutes
trying to find the proper
airport. Well, anyway, moving on.
Okay, that's it. We've done it. Thanks for looking. Good luck.